Hi guys, welcome to my channel Lush Gardener. I hope you guys are fine and are safe. So these were some of the leaf propagation that were first transferred into this container, and now you can see all of them have turned up really well. I have my Echeveria elegans. These all the pink ones that you're seeing in this, the pink ones with the chubby leaf, are my Graptovaria marpin. And then I have probably 1 and 2 of sedums. This one is sedum and this one is a piece of prolifica that I had added, and they all are doing quite well. This is the Graptovaria Aviant Grant. I'm not very sure. I'll put up the name on the screen, which is also referred to as the red moonstone, but it's actually a Graptovaria. It's not a Pachophytum variety, though it looks a lot like Pachophytum, but it's a Graptovaria variety. I'll put up the name on the screen. And then we have our beautiful, absolutely stunning looking Graptopetalum Purple Delight. So this is the one that I will be repotting today, so you will get an idea how to repot and when to repot. Now guys, please do not repot your leaf propagations, the pups, if they are smaller than this. They all have to be of a good size. So let me just measure them. Now if I'm going to measure them, you can see they are around let's say 2.5 centimeters in the diameter. And this one again is around 1.5 inches in the width. Now I'm going to repot all of them, but I won't be able to do it right away in this video because I still need to fix a lot of soil. I don't have enough soil right now because it was raining. A lot of the soil is wet, so I have to let it dry and then I'll have to reuse them. But over here I will be repotting only one of this because it looks quite big in this, and it has the potential to grow more because it is a Graptopetalum variety which is in its growing period, or which will start getting into its growing period because winters are over here. So let me carefully take out the succulent. Now remember guys, as I've said, Graptopetalum Purple Delight, they do have a good amount of farina on them, so we do not want to disturb it. Whenever you are dealing with a succulent that has farina, try to hold it from beneath, or try to hold it from the stem area. So what I'm going to do is, first I'll clear off all the excess soil in this, and then I'll try to lift it from the sides. So looks like the roots are a lot, but that's good enough. So you can see the amount of roots. And let me move this. So we have our dry soil over here, and now we are going to put it into the soil. So I'm going to hold the succulent carefully and start pushing it into the soil. I'm trying to ensure that I'm not touching the leaves because I do not want to damage, but a lot of times it's very difficult to manage these succulents, and it's very difficult to not touch the leaves while repotting because other succulents do not have farina, and it's very easy to repot them. We don't have to be extra careful, but especially the ones that have this, it's a big task to move them from one pot to another. So I usually refrain from repotting succulents that have farina on them. So I think we are good. All of the roots are beneath the soil, and we are done. So you can see I just love Graptopetalum Purple Delight. They are these beautiful chubby succulents that have this beautiful purple tone. In summers they get even more purple to pinkish in color because of the stress colors. Right now during the winters, which is their growing season, the color tends to reduce a little bit because they are in their growing period, but they do not turn completely green in color like how our other succulents are. They won't turn completely green. They will still have that traces of pink, but they are going to look a little bit ash gray in color, but they do not turn completely green in color. So you can see it looks absolutely beautiful. I'm very happy, and I can't wait for it to grow in this container now. So any which ways, the pot is around 6 centimeters. I have a soil mix that is very gritty, loose and porous, and that tends to dry out fast, so I don't need to be worried about the plastic retaining the moisture in the soil. So that's all about it guys. I hope that this video was helpful to you. If it was, please hit the like button. If you're new to my channel, please consider subscribing to it. Until then, take care, stay safe and keep planting.